Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO D5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the middle button. Keep holding the button until you see the SUUNTO logo on the screen, and once you see it you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. After you turn on your watch, go to the phone you want to pair your watch with. Make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, Google Play Store on it, then tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in SUUNTO. And on the list of applications you should see this app, SUUNTO by SUUNTO, and tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app you will need to log in into an account. You can use the Facebook account if you want to, or use the email. I already have an account and I used the email to create it, so I'm gonna tap on continue with email. Here I need to enter my email address and then tap on continue. And if you don't have the account associated with the email address you enter, it will let you to create a new account. But if you have the account associated with the email address, you will need to enter the password to log in. So give me a few seconds, I'm gonna enter the password and then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you will see this welcome back message. You can tap on continue. You will need to allow some permissions, so tap on allow location and allow the nearby devices. You can also enable the notifications if you want to. So basically the notifications from phone will be forwarded to your watch. If you don't care, you can skip it. I'm gonna enable it for the sake of the video. Oh, never mind. These weren't the notifications for the watch. These were the notifications for the application. My bad. So if you enable them, the phone will be able to display the notifications from the SUUNTO application. My bad. Okay, let's tap on OK. And here we want to select the device we want to pair. I'm gonna use the watch or device or die computer. It will start searching for the nearby devices. And as you can see, it detected our watch automatically. We can tap on pair, tap on pair, enter the code from the watch, and tap on OK. Here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. You can basically go through it by tapping on the next arrow. And then you can tap on OK. If you see this pop up and you want to use, for example, notifications and other features, you probably will need to allow those permissions, so tap on allow. And then you should see your SUUNTO D5 on the device page. It's still syncing, as you can see, downloading some stuff or doing some stuff in the background. But it means that the devices are paired together, so there's no point in waiting for it to finish. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.